Welcome to Open Whisper channel with Chris Diggers. Welcome to the arena. Remember that Martin Luther King says that the arc of the universe is wide, but it bends towards justice. Mmesoma'S Ejike and her case with falsification of results, like this honorable gentleman said, is not peculiar to her alone, but peculiar to the Nigerian electioneering system and the people we call honorable men. The system failed Mmesoma'S. It's like the biblical who will throw the first stone. Who among those honorable men will be the first to throw the stone at Mmesoma'S for having done the wrong thing, when all of them, or most of them, in the hallowed chamber, none of them will boast one of getting into the hallowed chamber through the right means, without rigging the results of the election, without violently snatching ballot boxes through thuggery, without killing and maiming. That said, Mmesoma'S has said that she is sorry for whatever she did and is ready to make amends. But the honorable member said that the leaders failed Mmesoma'S. Let's fast forward to the presidential petition election tribunal going on and the urgency of now. Here is my point. If the judiciary refers to uphold justice, what role model are we creating? If in the decades to come and the years to come we look back, what are the things in contention? That somebody who has been declared to have won the election has a baggage of having forfeited more than $460,000 in narcotics or heroin. That's the baggage. Has a baggage of falsification of age and results. Has a baggage of rigging the election, of having been declared the winner of a flawed election in the wee hours of the day. So, if we err on the side of human and say that this election, like Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party has said, we uphold Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the real winner of that election. If we look back in years to come as one of the justices of the Supreme Court, what story will you tell your children? That we are making role models, or we are creating a lot of Mmesoma'S? Will you turn back and blame Mmesoma'S for what she has done? That is the urgency of now. As we consider PWB's final address of saying that Bola Ahmed Tinubu should be disqualified, not just for having not met the 25% required in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, for anybody to be declared the winner of a presidential election, but that the election that produced Bola Ahmed Tinubu was flawed. He didn't score the required result, number of votes to be declared the winner, that his records are tainted, that he is not a role model in terms of having been indicted one way or the other in narcotics in the United States of America. So if we uphold him as a winner, what are the dangers to our children, to the generation of today who are in a hurry, but who still came out in numbers to say that we still cherish a role model in our country? What system are we leaving behind? This is Open Whispers. Remember, when the uninitiated throw sand at the masquerade will know that he or she has overstayed in the arena. Subscribe, and remember, see something, say something, and please do something. Nigeria will be great again. All eyes on the judiciary. Take care and bye.